How's it going, guys? Welcome to today's video. And again, I goofed. I got my camera, but I don't have my memory card because that's at my house. But whatever. I haven't got any complaints about the video yet. The first thing I gotta do a lot today. Don's coming here. He has to grab his hookah stuff because he's going riding with Justin. Hopefully he gets the new tubes sorted out or whatever. But as you guys saw last night, my brake line kind of left. So my clearing kit right here. So hopefully I can get that patched up because right now it's literally just a freaking, I just have a vice grip. I literally have to pump the brakes like I think 4 times really hard and then hold it on the 4th one for it to have brakes. Other than that, it just like, I could feel it slowing down the front wheel, the front passenger wheel, but like there's no brakes. So I'm gonna get started on that. Wait for Don to get here. Then Callie's coming here. I gotta fix her car. So we got a lot to do today, but I'm gonna get started. So for those who didn't see my setup, yeah, there she goes. I could really give a shit. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna pull this off and just try to flare this line and throw it back on. All right, I freaking drilled this out so I could reuse the fitting. We're mint. The fitting, I cleaned it out, drilled it out, and the fittings are pretty much ass to ass. So let's hope this works because this is literally clamped on the 2 fittings. Oh boy. So this is what happens. No. This is what happens.
Yeah. I got something cool to show you. Keep it filming. You recognize this bike? Yo, the dude, bottom end, top end, everything, dude. He redid the whole thing. He says previous owner blacked out rims and pipe. No. Previous owner before previous owner.
Yeah.
Blacked out rims and pipe.
Blacked out. I mean, spray bomb that shit. Well, Don's gonna help me bleed this right quick, and yeah. Oh yeah, there's some air. One more time. Oh shit, we gotta do that again. Alright, well, I'm gonna go get a freaking fan switch as well because I'm out here with the fucking heat blasting because my switch done porked itself. Yeah, go get some switch. Alright guys, well, I still haven't bloored my brakes because Callie's not at the shop yet. Yeah, so I got my camera back though. Well, I got my memory card. Went back to my house, got my memory card. So yeah, we're on the way to the shop. That's it. What the fuck is this? Oh man, my new car's getting delivered. You guys came to bring me my new whip? Shit. What up, dude?
How you going? Billy.
Damian, nice to meet you, dude.
Nice to meet you, dude.
What up, what up?
What up, bro? I'm Ricky.
Damian. Oh, I thought you were coming on that side. What up, guy?
What up, dude? How are you?
Chilling.
Dude, a subscriber just gave me this.
What?
He gave it to me. Dude, and $60 to get lunch.
Dude, that's fucking awesome.
Shit. No
fucking
shit.
Shout out to him.
Dude, subscribers, and I know you're not mine, but you guys are amazing. Like, the stuff that you guys can pull off is awesome.
Dude, it runs?
We're gonna see if the rev limiter sounds good in a minute. We can do that, yeah. I wish you had a nice place to do a burnout.
Dude, there's no.
My goal was to just blow the tires off, but I didn't realize it was this tight.
You have to fucking get all the way to Mass first, dude. I wish. If it was my old shop, I'd say fuck it.
At least bounce
Unless you want to drive it to my old shop, 'cause it's not mine anymore.
Nice.
So this dude's like, yo, I'm gonna hit rev limiter for you real quick. In the Crown Vic. You haven't heard it yet, right?
Well, I mean, I bought it like 10 minutes ago.
Bought it.
So, got
Picked it up.
Acquired it.
Oh shit, the fucking thing is closed.
We're locked in.
How the hell did they get it?
Got it for free. Mint.
Fuck.
Nice and quiet.
It's too quiet, right?
Yeah, dude, you gotta chop this shit. If you guys have any friggin' 4.6 parts, new edge parts that this thing can use for drifts.
If you have a T45 5-speed and you want to see this thing get sideways and ass slap some poles.
Ass slap some poles.
Oh, I can't fit. It doesn't sound bad, dude. It doesn't sound bad. I gotta crawl out the window.
Some chop.
Dukes of Hazzards.
All right, well, now just waiting for Callie to get here. Had a good time with the homies as always. Check out their channel, link will be in the description. And if you didn't already know, Smoked Out Garage, go look them up. They do cool shit. Want to see V8 Volvos, doing an LS3 swap, all that good stuff. Yeah, just gotta plug them, you know? What? Just waiting for Callie now. If any of you ever get the chance to do a front wheel bearing on a Subaru, don't do it. Thought I finally got somewhere. Nope. Just got that part out. Whole inner part of the bearing still in there. So that's good. Oh man. This has become way more of a project, and it's like I can't even not do it. Like, I can't just not do it. I really wish it was one of those things. But I have to do it. Because without this, Callie doesn't have a car. Alright, there's a reason I haven't been filming much of this, and it's because it's probably one of the shittiest things I've ever had to do. But I sacrificed the socket. Ronnie was like, dude, just friggin' weld something across it and put it in the press. This is like my last resort. I literally can't do anything else that would work, you know? So I'm gonna set this up one last time and just give this thing hell and hope to God this thing comes out, because if not, I have to drive Callie home, which is 40 minutes, drive back to my house, drive back to her house, pick her up, come here tomorrow, and we won't be able to go to Wicked Big Meat, which is what she wanted. So I'm trying my damnedest now, and it is 10:30 right now. I will update you guys when I'm done, because I can't really do both of these right now. But look at them. Look at that. I am God. I'm literally and actually God. I'm just kidding. But shout out to Ronnie, because I'm very grateful right now that this is coming out. Thank the Lord. Thank whoever got him being up there, because oh my God, it's been like probably 4 hours. It's about to drop out. Witness the moment, my children. Oh, hallelujah. Look at my setup. Dude, I cut this thing. I air hammered it. I did everything I possibly could. I don't know why I didn't ask Ronnie earlier, because welding a socket to it actually worked. Holy shit. I'm literally going to title this video that. Wow. At long last. Retaining clip, dust cover. Hopefully everything pops back on. Oh, man, this took way longer than I wanted. But we might still be able to go to the car show. So Callie will be happy about that. There it goes. Oh my God. Yeah. Alright, back in you go. Oh my God, it is literally 11:55. Yeah. And I just finished this shot. Alright, put the wheel back on, get the hell out of here, you know. Just sent Callie's ass on her way. So I gotta friggin' wake up early.
No, we do.
We have to wake, sure. I have to wake up earlier, because I have to drive to your house. You're good, go.
I'm trying to.
Get out.
I'm trying to tell it to go to my house, so why don't we not film?
Are you done doxing yourself? Alright, get the hell out of here. Whoa, my hand just fogged the lens. Stop. Yeah, you can't see it.
No, but it's the straight line.
Oh, okay. Okay, see you later.
Bye.
Drive away without any noises, and I want to just...
Bye.
All right, see you later. I'll see you tomorrow for the Subaru show with a dirty Subaru.
Bye.
Here, bye. Okay, bye. Have a good drive.
You too.
Oh my God, how the fuck did I... Guys, this is probably the most stressful night I've had in a long time. Jesus Christ, like I have so much cleaning up to do. I'm just gonna throw everything in its general area. Besides Ronnie's stuff, I'm actually gonna put that away. I'll clean the inside of here another day. But I have to go. Oh my God. Alright guys, well I need not explain because it's pretty damn obvious how shot I am right now, so I'll see you guys in the next video. So that's how you do that. You depressing and weld. Yeah, I don't know. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you tomorrow with, I believe, the biggest Subaru show in the US. Peace out.